'Twas the night before Christmas, when all through the house not a creature was stirring, not even a moose. The Moving2Canada team were nestled all snug in their beds, while visions of poutine danced in their heads. And as another year draws close to an end, to live and work in Canada we still recommend. From Quebec's je ne sais quoi to Parliament Hill, spotting a polar bear in Manitoba, oof, that would be such a thrill. Visit the home of the prairies, that's right, Saskatchewan, or lest we forget the skylights of the Yukon. Start a new life in any maritime province. Good food and great views, that's what they promise. Not to be outdone come Alberta and BC, with their lakes and their mountains and some great ski. Prefer the cold of Nunavut or our Northwestern Territories? Or maybe you'd care more for some of Newfoundland's stories. A whole country awaits for you to explore. So let us help you learn a little bit more. From where you can live to how to apply, your journey awaits. Just click this little guy.